Camera inside Varda Space Capsule captured its wild trip back to Earth. A front row seat on what it would be like to return to Earth inside a space capsule. Varda Space Industries' small W1 spacecraft successfully landed at the Utah Test and Training Range February 21st, 2024, a few days ago. A camera installed inside the cozy 3-foot wide capsule captured the entire stunning re-entry sequence, from separation from the satellite bus in low Earth orbit, LEO, to the fiery re-entry through Earth's atmosphere, to a parachute deploy, to the bouncy landing. At the end of this 5-minute video, you'll see a pair legs with mud-caked shoes approaching to gather the parachute and retrieve the capsule. Not only is there video, but sound as well, and the sounds of re-entry and landing are what grabs you, and you can see the video here embedded. There's also full 27-minute unedited raw footage from separation to touchdown is also available. On X, Varda said re-entry speeds reached to Mach 25. W1 was part of the Rocket Lab Photon spacecraft launched in June 2023 on SpaceX's Transporter 8 rideshare mission. NASA's Capsule mission also launched on this flight. Varda used the spacecraft to test their in-space manufacturing technologies. Inside the capsule, the company was able to produce crystals of a drug called ritonavir, an antiviral drug grown in the microgravity LEO environment that can be used to treat HIV and hepatitis C. The company's goal is to develop the infrastructure to make LEO more accessible to commercial industries. "We manufacture pharmaceuticals in space," said Varda CEO Will Bray in an interview on Marketplace. "Removing gravity allows us to make medicines you otherwise could not on Earth. Gravity is kind of like a parameter. If you put a temperature knob on an oven, you create a whole world of new recipes, and new food can be created. Similarly, if you can change gravity, you can also change the chemical processes for drug formulations." W1 spent 8 months integrating with a Rocket Lab Photon spacecraft, the upper stage of the Electron rocket, that provided the capsule with power, propulsion, and navigation. The mission was a phenomenal feat, an impressive display of teamwork between the Rocket Lab and Varda teams to develop a unique and highly capable spacecraft, successfully demonstrate in-space manufacturing, and bring back the capsule and finished pharmaceutical product, all on the first attempt, said Rocket Lab CEO Peter Beck in a company press release. The success of this re-entry mission will also inform our work on developing a re-entry capsule for Neutron to potentially enable human spacecraft missions. Varda transported the capsule to its California headquarters for a complete checkout and sent the ritonavir samples on board to a pharmaceutical company, Improved Pharma, for analysis. Varda said it will also share data from the re-entry itself with NASA and the Air Force under a contract with those agencies. The article was originally published on Universe Today, and this is by Nancy Atkinson, and it's on Science Alert. Please leave your comments, and thank you for your support. Kindly support my Patreon account. The daily posts are 5 videos daily, and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support, and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box below.